I'm 11 years old. This is how Christmas is celebrated in Britain.
Advent calendars are great. We open the door every day in December.
Yeah, Christmas is coming. It's the 1st of December. Here's your Advent calendar, Jack.
Thanks. The 1st of December. Where is it? Here it is. It's a Christmas tree.
I make and write Christmas cards every Christmas. Jack, what are you writing in your Christmas card?
I'm writing to Aunt Emma. Happy Christmas from Jack.
I'm writing, Dear Granny and Grandpa, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Sally. Come on, Jack, let's post the Christmas cards.
You'll get a sentimental feeling.
It's Christmas Eve, the 24th of December. We put the presents under the tree and hang up our Christmas stockings.
We have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new.
What is it? Is it a book? Is it a computer game?
Jack, wait. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. You can open the present tomorrow.
All right.
It's Christmas Day, the 25th of December. We open the presents in the morning. Our grandparents come to our house and we have a very special lunch at about 2 o'clock.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. A mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear.
Let's pull Christmas crackers.
Sweet bells of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
I have got the blue hat and the green pen. I've got the red hat and a joke.
Listen, what do frogs write on their Christmas cards? Happy Christmas!
Voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with bells of holly. Rocking around.
I've got the red hat. I've got a green hat and a joke. Listen, why couldn't the skeleton go to the Christmas party? He had nobody to go with.
There's usually lots of delicious food at Christmas dinner. We have roast turkey or goose served with stuffing and gravy.
We eat roast potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and carrots. We also have tiny sausages wrapped in bacon and cranberry sauce.
For dessert, we all eat rich, fruity pudding called the Christmas pudding.
The pudding is often soaked with flaming brandy to drive off evil spirits.
Christmas Day is a great day. It's my favorite day of the year. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas!